Ya kini kejingerap isa kebakot live kundai Klur kat nyulak untuk pusat fajar tengkah la ajki kenun nelakai ke Meghalaya kebakentut ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association bad ki arpun ru League Sports Association bakin Pynkhreh nak benta ke National Games arajar arpunyo. Abakran nak jingelang menteri rangba ulong bakajing temu ke bakongsan jong nak jingelang kalong man sedang no akikam kijam man Pynkhreh nak ba ai kejing kersan pisa ya ki senjuk elakai kejela. Ulong bagai ke bapenlong kerpang ya kene kejingelang kedai namar bakalong hakasian ke benengkong hakari bagai kejing kersan pisa la ai bet ceki senjuk elakai. Bad la ai la load senjuk elakai bakin syemekarai kapabhatam kum no penan kami kene ke pisa kat kum kejing dot kam jengki. Ukon rat kongkal sangma ulong bagai program kamde atang mat ai jingerap ke pisa mereka dai rucepang kejing syania bat kesorkar kelapan kam ti kejing ket klia hai senjuk elakai. Dah kebangit scam bagi tep kambhai ke bagi deban le. Menteri rangba ula bu ru ikatong ikisenjuk akai bigidai bandan ikatong ban khur hado san pautli kita kema haka National Games ke banlong ha Meghalaya. Menteri ketrat elakai ke jelau ba syaklir warjri ulong bagani ke digisngi ke ban sakan mau hagi history jong ke jela. Namar bagade ke ba 4 Juai menu ru ya kum gani ke kerdan jong ke jingkershan bar ke jinglat luat ikisenjuk elakai. Hagini kesengi menteri rangba ula ajing yarap basilak tengka nak ketenat elaka ya kesamla refiners warjri kabadi kekentai kebedang kena atam kabahakerta keba arposnem kalakiu yu Mount Everest. Bad ula penmenaru ban saai sanlak tengka lengba ke Chief Minister's Special Grant.
Never ever happened in the history of our state. In fact, if you look at the artificial turfs for football that are coming up, we'll be having close to 50 artificial turfs throughout the state. That is the largest number any state has in the country. We are very happy, and I do take this opportunity to thank the Indian Olympic Association, the chairperson, Madam P.T. Usha, and of course our Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, and our respected Sports Minister for having given the opportunity to Meghalaya to host the 39th National Games. I also would like to mention to you that today's program is something that's very special and very, very unique. And I'm sure that others have said it before, but I want to repeat it again so that you realize how important this decision that we're taking is. We are today here to tell you that we are going to be giving the funds to you, to the associations. Let me tell you, not to point fingers at any other state government or the past games, but in the past games, the governments would, spend the money to buy the equipment and then give the equipments to the associations. The government would then get the coaches and give the coaches to the associations and pay for the coaches. Maybe this is the first time in the history of the country that a state government is actually going to give the funds to the associations. And we are going to be making you part of the decision making, because we realize that you know best.